All right, let's get you breaking updates now coming in from West Bengal, where Abhishek Banerjee is facing the ire of the BJP workers. High drama being witnessed. Take a look. So these are the visuals of high drama voltage being witnessed in West Bengal as Abhishek Banerjee is facing the ire of the BJP workers. There are chore slogans being raised there. Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh Saha joining us on the broadcast. And Rajesh, we're looking at the dramatic visuals coming in where I think it's Abhishek Banerjee who's also wearing a cricket helmet. We're told eggs were also thrown at him. What are the details? What happened there?
The TMC MP and General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee has faced strong protest in Sonarpur area in South 24 Pargana district when Abhishek Banerjee went there to meet the family of a post.
আমাকে বাইরে থেকে স্লোগান দিচ্ছে চোর আর বাংলার বর্তমান মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে নির্লজ্জ দোকান কাটার মতো হাত বার করে টিভির পর্দায় 5 লক্ষ টাকা ঘুষ নিতে দেখা গেছে বাংলার কোন মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে টিভির পর্দায় আজ পর্যন্ত স্বাধীনতার পর এইভাবে নির্লজ্জভাবে কেউ টাকা নিতে দেখেনি একমাত্র এই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী বর্তমানে যিনি চুরি করে
Bengal Chief Minister who is holding the post of Bengal Chief Minister right now, he was seen taking bribe of 5 lakh rupees on screen. It was on record. He is the first Chief Minister who was seen taking bribe on camera.
They want to kill me. এরা আমাদের প্রাণে মারতে চায় মেরে দিক আমার মৃতদেহ উদ্ধারক এখান থেকে
They want to kill me.
জায়গা ছেড়ে যাব
They can kill me.
আমি সঞ্জুর বৃদ্ধ বাবা মাকে এই অবস্থায় ছেড়ে যাব না যতক্ষণ না
They want to kill me. They want to kill me and I
এখানে যারা প্রতিনিধিরা রয়েছে
let my dead body
আবার
be recovered from here.
করো ফোর্সের জন্য রিকোয়েস্ট করো যদি না পাঠায় হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ পাঠিয়ে এটা অন রেকর্ড থাকুক পুরো ঘটনার ভিডিওগ্রাফি রয়েছে আমি হাইকোর্টের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি আমি রাজ্যপালের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি
The entire incident was videographed.
এখানে প্রায় 50 জন সংবাদ মাধ্যমের প্রতিনিধিরা রয়েছে
I will grab the attention of Honorable Governor of West
একটা
Bengal
লোক নেই
and of course Kolkata High
আপনারা
Court.
দেখুন I will definitely move to court.
There is no any security person. I will definitely move to Kolkata High Court.
Over here. Sir, will you move to court?
দাঁড়া আমি সব বলে দিয়েছি পরে বলছি আগে আমাদের প্রশাসনের সাথে কথা বলতে দিন এই এসপি কে ফোন করো এসপি কে বা আইসি কে ফোন করে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠিয়ে রাখো
Rajesh continues to stay live with us, and Rajesh, the TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee can be heard saying that the BJP workers are responsible for this, and he claims that he was attacked.
Yes, absolutely. Abhishek Banerjee is now raising serious allegations against BJP workers for allegedly manhandling him. When TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee reached Sonarpur area in the South 24 Pargana district, some people gathered over there and started strong protest targeting Abhishek Banerjee. They raised a chore slogan targeting Abhishek Banerjee. Not only raising slogan, but also they pelted stones, shoes and eggs. We can clearly see in the visual that that few eggs were pelted at Abhishek Banerjee. Not only eggs, but rather stones, shoes and eggs were pelted targeting Abhishek Banerjee. That time Abhishek Banerjee was traveling on a bike of a local TMC worker. He was going to meet the family of a post-war violence victim. When he was on the way, that time some people, especially some BJP workers, started showing protest against Abhishek Banerjee, and they raised allegation that they were also victim of post-war violence during the previous elections in West Bengal, and Abhishek Banerjee also faced
just a
strong
moment. My apologies. I'll come back to you in just a moment. We have Mr. Saugata Roy joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Saugata Roy. We're looking at the visuals on the screens where Abhishek Banerjee has been attacked with even eggs thrown at him.
Attacked with?
Eggs have been thrown at him. There are BJP workers who can be seen in the visuals chanting slogans, saying "chor chor" as he steps out.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Saugata Roy, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Would you, what would you like to say on these visuals that we are playing out of some drama that is being witnessed in West Bengal as Abhishek Banerjee was being taken out? He, in fact, went on to say that he has been attacked by the BJP workers with eggs being thrown at him. And he says that all of this has been sponsored by the BJP.
Yes, I totally condemn this attack on Abhishek Banerjee. This is the actual face of BJP. After coming to power, some of their leaders have been using soft words, saying that they don't want any post-poll violence, but everywhere, wherever TMC leaders are going, they are being attacked. 3 days back, they attacked me, and now they have attacked Abhishek, who's an MP and All India General Secretary of the Trinamool Congress. This is what BJP is. They know that what they're doing, attacking offices, closing down offices, attacking Trinamool Congress workers, they want to hide that. And that's why they don't want Trinamool Congress leaders to go to any place.
Okay.
We shall fight back.
Okay, you'll fight back
is
is
a
what the
young man,
TMC
he'll
is
fight
saying.
back.
I request you to stay with us. We have Ms. Priyanka Tibrewal of the BJP as well on the broadcast. And Ms. Priyanka Tibrewal, what would you like to say? Abhishek Banerjee can be seen in the visuals being attacked. Where are the police officials?
Now that's exactly, I would like to ask, where was Abhishek Banerjee and where was Mamata Banerjee, Mr. Shaukat Roy and other TMC members in 2021 when they were attacking common public? Forget BJP. They attacked common people who had voted for BJP. And they continued for 5 years saying that no, there is no post-poll violence. Today we say that there is no post-poll violence after 2026. Those who had attacked...
It was the
and
BJP
tortured
that
common
promised
people.
that there will be change. And you can see in the visuals a TMC MP being attacked and police officials nowhere to be seen.
That is what I'm saying, that, and when you mention that BJP workers, no, madam, no BJP worker is attacking anybody. This is the anger of common people which is coming out, which should not be there, and I do not appreciate so, because law should take its own course. There are a number of investigations which are going on against the corruption which the Trinamool has done. And so let law take its own course. But people should not do that. But again, I would say, it is not just Abhishek Banerjee. It is the entire Trinamool who have hurled this kind of violence on common people. And that is the reaction of the people when they are trying to do natakbaji, when there is no post-poll violence at all on the ground. Because the High Courts had said that if there is any post-poll violence, let the people come up before the court.
Okay.
Like in 2021, I took so many affidavits and I proved that there was violence. They cannot prove anything.
Okay, but
they are
visuals
trying to,
speak for themselves. Stay with us. We have Ms. Rupa Ganguly as well as Kalyan Banerjee also joining us on the broadcast. But we're also looking at the visuals on the screens where Abhishek Banerjee is being attacked. Mr. Kalyan Banerjee, the BJP is saying that these are not BJP workers. This is the common man that is angry against the TMC, and that's why we're seeing this attack. What would you like to say? All right, we don't have the line with him, Mr. Kalyan Banerjee. We'll try and reconnect that line. Ms. Rupa Ganguly is also with us. We're looking at the visuals and eggs are being thrown at the TMC MP. The BJP had promised change and had said that there will be no violence. Now, he is being attacked. He's a TMC MP. The question is, where are the police officials? Ms. Rupa Ganguly, can you hear me? Okay, all right. We have Ms. Rudrani Ghosh of the TMC on the broadcast with us. We're looking at the visuals and we just spoke to the BJP as well, Ms. Ghosh, and they say that these are not BJP workers. This is the anger of the common man.
This is absolutely correct. And being a BJP Vidhayak, I can say that we have faced a lot of nonsense from the Trinamool gang. So people are utterly, they are, मतलब वो ये जानते हैं मतलब कि मतलब ये तृणमूल हर किसी चीजों में लोगों के ऊपर अत्याचार किए थे एंड उन लोगों का मतलब जो सहन का जो क्षमता होता है वो हाथ के बाहर हो गया है. लेकिन डेफिनेटली आई थिंक पुलिस शुड टेक एक्शन एंड क्या करे द सिचुएशन. जो मतलब 2024 का वोटों में जस्ट वी सॉ द रिजल्ट, तो वहां से ही पता चल गया कि लोगों ने कितना मतलब फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हुए हैं कि मतलब टीएमसी के ऊपर. और अभिषेक बनर्जी जिनके ऊपर देयर आर टू मेनी एलिगेशंस, तो बस उनके ऊपर जो रिएक्शंस हो रहे हैं ये दुखदायक है. लेकिन ये कड़वा सच है कि मतलब जो भी है मतलब पुलिस शुड हैंडल दिस. बस ये इन लोगों का कारनामा का रिजल्ट हो रहा है.
Okay, in fact, we have Mr. Kalyan Banerjee also with us to stay with us. Kalyan Banerjee, Mr. Kalyan Banerjee, you are looking at the visuals. Abhishek Banerjee being attacked, and the BJP claims that this is the anger of the people.
This reflects the complete lawlessness in West Bengal. What do you mean by the anger of the people? These are all the BJP goons are running after him, and BJP has no control. There is no police. It's a completely lawlessness. And Shubhendu Adhikari himself is very vindictive person. We know him. We know about it.
Okay.
He is an autocrat person, Shubhendu Adhikari. You have seen the entire West Bengal for last 15 days. What's happening? Complete lawlessness. Complete lawlessness. Double engine Sarkar, therefore totally complete lawlessness.
Okay.
Thank you.
In fact, we're looking at the visuals, Mr. Kalyan Banerjee, and you can see that Abhishek Banerjee is also wearing a cricket helmet in an attempt to save himself, and there are people who are pushing and pulling his clothes as well, and you can see eggs have also been thrown at him. So you're raising questions on where the police officials are. Are you saying that this has happened in cahoots with the BJP, that the BJP allowed it to happen?
It's BJP goons. All are BJP goons. They have done it. In West Bengal, there is complete lawlessness is prevailing. Everywhere the opposition is attacked. Trinamool Congress is attacked. Is it proper? You have come to power. You govern the state in terms of the law. But if you become vindictive, if the government become vindictive ruling party, then it is a lawlessness. Is it not the duty of the police to protect him? Is it not the duty of the police to present there? Is it not the duty of the police to restrain these hooligans?
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Kalyan Banerjee, raising questions on the police officials, asking where are the police officials? This is a TMC MP. He is being heckled and attacked openly, and there are no police officials who are present there at the spot. Now, remember, a team from the CID reached the TMC Diamond Harbour MP's residence in Kolkata in relation to the probe in the MLA signature case. They couldn't find him at home, and 4 CID officers were at the MP's residence. His staff responded at the gates and said that they were not aware where he was. But now we're getting in visuals of Abhishek Banerjee being heckled. And Rajesh, my colleague, is also with us. Rajesh, I'll come back to you with that. The question that is being raised by the TMC leaders as well. Where are the police officials? That's the question that they've raised. Of course, there has been post-poll violence that the BJP and the TMC have been having war of words over. But this is an elected MP that we're talking about, and he's being attacked openly. Where are the police officials?
Exactly. Abhishek Banerjee is now raising questions wherever the police officers, because he has said that there was no security personnel from the local police stations. Abhishek Banerjee has alleged that not a single police officials were there for the protection of Abhishek Banerjee. And let me tell you, the security coverage were withdrawn by the newly elected government few days back. Abhishek Banerjee as the General Secretary of All India Trinamool Congress, and of course the MP of Diamond Harbour Lok Sabha constituency. Abhishek Banerjee is to get Z+ category security till the formation of new BJP government. But after forming government by the Bharatiya Janata Party. The security coverage were withdrawn by the Directorate of Security of West Bengal Police, and since then Abhishek Banerjee is getting only Y category security coverage from West Bengal Police. But when Abhishek Banerjee reached Sonarpur today to visit the family of the post violence victim, there were no security personnel from the local district police as per the allegation of Abhishek Banerjee. When Abhishek Banerjee reached over there, the situation suddenly escalated and became heated. That time we can see some people gather over here. They surrounded Abhishek Banerjee and started strong protest. They not only they chanted slogans targeting Abhishek Banerjee, rather stones were pelted, eggs were pelted targeting Abhishek Banerjee, and security personnel of Abhishek Banerjee made him wear helmet and rescued him from the scene. We can see Abhishek Banerjee is being assaulted by the people, by the agitated people. Abhishek Banerjee is being manhandled by the agitating people in Sonarpur, which is in South 24 Pargana district. And let me tell you, Abhishek Banerjee's Lok Sabha constituency, which is Diamond Harbour, that also falls in the same district, which is South 24 Pargana district. South 24 Pargana district was the stronghold of Trinamool Congress MP Abhishek Banerjee till the formation of new government, but after which BJP has entered into this district, and BJP is now taking over the entire district, which was the stronghold of Abhishek Banerjee. Now Abhishek Banerjee, for the first time, this is the first ever he has faced strong protest in his own district. He has faced protest from the people, from the local people, but Abhishek Banerjee is now claiming that the protests were conducted by the BJP workers. He is now raising allegation against BJP workers, but BJP is now denying all the allegations, and they are saying that the protests were conducted by the local people against Abhishek Banerjee. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So Abhishek Banerjee was also heard speaking to the media, and he said that these are all BJP goons. Though the BJP has also now responded and has said that this is anger of the common man. But the TMC is asking where the police officials are, as the TMC MP can be seen walking out, being attacked openly. And Rajesh, these visuals are also quite dramatic. TMC MP, we could say is the second in command on the TMC as well. And as he is walking out, he was also perhaps aware of of what could happen. He is seen wearing a cricket helmet as he's walking out. And there is a lot of jostling, pushing and pulling that can be seen in these visuals, even eggs thrown at him, even when cameras are present. So it is quite a brazen attack on the TMC MP.
Absolutely. These visuals are highly dramatic, and this is the first time Abhishek Banerjee is facing such protest, because Abhishek Banerjee, as I said earlier, Abhishek Banerjee used to get a Z+ category security till the formation of new BJP government. And till then, when Abhishek Banerjee, whenever Abhishek Banerjee used to visit any place in West Bengal, at least 30 minutes before his arrival, police used to reach over there, and they used to sanitize the entire area where Abhishek Banerjee is scheduled to reach. But now Abhishek Banerjee is now getting only Y category security coverage by West Bengal Police. So he has no such security personnel with him. He's just getting 2 to 3 security personnel from West Bengal Police. When Abhishek Banerjee reached Sonarpur area today, the situation suddenly escalated and people started strong protest. This is the first time, let me tell you, this is the first time Abhishek Banerjee has faced the strongest protest so far. He is now saying that was done by BJP and BJP wanted to kill him. Abhishek Banerjee has also said that let my dead body get recovered from here, but I will not bow down my head before the BJP. He also said that he will approach before the Kolkata High Court, and he will.
Rajesh is saying that Abhishek Banerjee claimed that it was an attempt at his life. Do stay with us. Let's play out that reaction, after which we also have K.R. Ghosh of the BJP joining us on the broadcast.
They want to kill me. এরা আমাদের প্রাণে মারতে চায়। মেরে দিক আমার মৃতদেহ উদ্ধার হোক এখান থেকে। আমি জায়গা ছেড়ে যাব না। আমি সঞ্জুর বৃদ্ধ বাবা মাকে এই অবস্থায় যাব না। ফোর্স এসে আমাদের এখানে যারা প্রতিনিধিরা রয়েছে,
let my dead body get recovered from here, but I will not leave this place.
যদি না পাঠায় হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ পাঠিয়ে এটা অন রেকর্ড
I will ask all of you, all the police,
আমি হাইকোর্টের দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি,
if needed,
আমি রাজ্যপালের দৃষ্টি
send the text message on WhatsApp to police, let it be recorded.
সংবাদ মাধ্যমের প্রতিনিধিরা রয়েছে, দরজা ভাঙার চেষ্টা করছে।
I'll grab the attention of Honorable Governor of West Bengal as well as the High Court.
I will definitely move to court.
Let them see what is the situation over here.
All BJP sponsored.
I will definitely move to the court.
अब देखिए क्या हाल किया गया है। ये है इनका लोकतंत्र का नमूना। एक महीना हुआ नहीं।
Right, dramatic scenes being witnessed in West Bengal. We are keeping a track of these developments as Abhishek Banerjee claims that this was an attempt to kill him and says that he will be approaching court in this regard. I'm thanking Rajesh for joining us with those details and slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back.